Alright, so the next thing that we want to look at is how to import data from a CSV file. And this time we want to use the function read.csv, right, and use the file.choose so that we can basically choose it from our folder where we have the data file being kept. I want to assign this data to csv.data, so let's quickly run this, how to import data from a CSV file. So let me run this. So I'm going to my folder, data file. So we have this is my CSV, so I'm going to click on this. So you have it in the window CSV data. So once I click on this, I'm going to view my data. So I have it in a spreadsheet form, right? And I also want to see the structure, so I can just click on this button, right? So gender is character, age, integer, height, numeric, right? That is basically one way to do this. Another way to do this is to use the readr library, right? So you first of all have to install this by using the install.packages, or you can go to packages and install, right? Just go to install and just type the name readr. Okay, so I've already loaded this library, so let me skip that. So I want to use the read CSV, that's the comma separated values, to basically import my CSV file, and I want to assign it to csv.data1. So let's run this. Let me rerun it again. Okay, so we have it shown. No, I have it in data file. So this is my CSV file. Yep. So this will also display it in the console for us. So right, and we also have it in the window environment. So once I click on this, I can view my data. Right. Okay. So last but not the least is to use this option, file, go to import data set. So you can use either this or that, right? You can use any of them. Let me use this, of course. So you can go to data file and CSV, right? So we have it shown, and I want to change the gender to factor. So and just change this one to CSV. So import. So we have it shown. We have it shown in here. That's the data.csv, and we have it showing the data set has been shown in a spreadsheet form for us. Right. So we can look at the structure by clicking on this, which is now gender has now been converted into a factor, right? Because we did it that. Yep. So these are the different ways we can basically import CSV file into R, or you can use the other option that I just talked about. Let's say import dataset and read R, right, which is basically the same as this. So you can also use this option. Browse data, right? So let me go to data file, my CSV file, and yep. So we have to see the preview before we continue. Right, so once everything is okay, you can just use import. So this is basically the same as what we have done previously. Let me cancel this. It's the same as using this format, right? So this is basically how to import data from a CSV file into R.